Now sometimes when I'm making wooden boxes, I make a lot of wooden boxes. Depending on what I want to do for the bottom, sometimes I have it elevated like this one, and I need to get in and mark. Sometimes I need to get in and mark the insides of these, and of course you can't get in with a pencil to all of these sides, so I make one of these little pencils. I've got a couple of them around, and they're all they're used for is for getting into areas. You can see that you can get this little pencil into an area right down in there where you normally wouldn't be able to get in. So there's the two pieces of my pencil. So all I need to do now is put a little bit, in this case I'm going to use some medium glue, a little dab on there. Now I'll put the top on, and I want to have it at that angle. There we go. I'm just going to hit that with a little bit of accelerator. A little bit. There, and that's locked on.